It's very nice. Well, we were almost giving up, but we still got inside.
Yeah.
Today on the 17th of July 2023, this is, what was it? Kääntöpiiri.
Yeah.
I'll check the name in Swedish later. It's building 4. Staircase A, and we have filmed the staircase C and D here also. Only staircase B left to be filmed here.
Yeah.
It was built in 1977 originally, and added later in 2000. Oh god, it's not Connie, it's Otis. Connie is maintaining it too.
Yeah.
In the beginning of 2004, but there was innovation in 2003, 2004 here. Turning 20 years old, and next year, 2024, is going to be in Sweden again. The timber is the one in the 3777. And that will came button the screen.
Yeah.
The green light. And it's still all this 2000 structure.
Yeah.
It's here in Olari, Espoo, Espoo Healthcare, Sports Region, North Finland.
Inspected by Kivines, maintained by Coney.
It's close to Matinkylä and Matlu. The door close button has been pressed many times.
Yeah.
It's torn. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. It's only the second B left, so I hope we can get this thing as B as soon as possible also.
That's